Hello class and welcome back. In this exercise we have another program that needs some debugging, needs some fixing. The program asks the user to enter a stock number. If the stock number is not 209, 312, or 414, the user must re-enter the number. The program displays the correct price. Okay? Again, OCD is kicking up a little bit, so I'm going to type in using system. Okay. Even though we don't need it, I feel like I have to have it. So we have our constant string of 209. Again, this is a string. It is not an integer because we were not doing any mathematical data. This is just a label for item 209, 312, and 414. Okay, so we have a constant double. The price of 209 equals $12.99. Price of 312 is $16.77. And the price of 414 is $109.07. So we have our prices. That's fine. We have a double price. We have a stock number. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at our error message. The name console readline does not exist, so we need a dot there, console dot readline. Or we could just take out console and just put in readline. Either one works. Okay. Let's see. It works because we have this line of code here, letting our program know we're going to be using console. We have our stock number, and while the stock number does not equal 209, again, they have these or symbols. So, or the stock number does not equal 312, or the stock number does not equal 414, they're going to enter another stock. Well, no matter what they enter, this is going to cause an issue because even if they do enter 209, it's still not going to enter. It's still not going to match 312. So these or symbols is not going to work right. So we're going to do and instead of or because we're looking for something to happen. All right, so while the stock number is not 209 and it's not 312, because it could be 209 or 312, but we're making sure that they enter one of them that works. We're going to do a write line, invalid stock number. Please try again. Please enter again. We're going to get the stock number from the read line, come back up here. So if the stock number is correct, we're going to break out of this while loop and then go back to this if statement. So if the stock number equals item 209, we're going to get price 209. Okay. And if the stock number equals item 314, we're going to get the price of not 414, but 312, sorry, 312. And then else the price equals, this is going to be 414 because we want to match them up correctly. Right line, the price for item 0 is 1. So first one, stock number, is going to be price.toString. So that looks like it should work from here on out. Let's go ahead and run it. Enter the number of the item you want. Let's do 111. Please try again. Okay, so that works. Let's do 209. Oops, something happened. What happened here? Input string was not in a correct format. Failure to parse near offset 32. Format item ends prematurely. So somewhere here we get our red X. It says, hey, that messed up. Let's go ahead and close out of here and look at our program for just a little bit, figure out what's going on. Well, in our right line, we have curly brace with a placeholder. And then we have curly braces here, but it looks like they tapped that key one too many times. Let's take that out. And now let's run it, see if that works. So the price, the item we want is 209. That works perfectly. All right. Let's try it one more time. Let's do the 312. That gives us the right price for 312. Let's do it one more time for 414. That gives us the right price for 414. And just to be sure, let's type in 00. All right. That's how you do this particular debugging exercise. Anytime that you're wanting to do a not equals, make sure you understand the difference between or and. and how it makes those decisions. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.